everyone, welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Tuesday. So we are here
It's not a happy Tuesday. Let's say what it really is.
Whatever. It's still Happy Tuesday.
That's what you think. They're sucking out our baby's blood.
Si Mr. ayaw niyang ipagawa sa akin itong 3-hour glucose test. Kasi nga, di ba, i-draw nila yung blood ko. I think 4 times. Kasi, di ba, from fasting, and then babalik ako doon for the first hour. So, another kuha ng dugo. Tapos, second hour, kuha ulit ng dugo. Third hour, kuha ulit ng dugo. So, mga 4 times na yata. So, ayun, para sa aking 3-hour glucose tolerance test. So, nag-fasting ako. Yung last na kain ko is 11:45. Ayun, dumating kami dito is before 9 AM. Tapos, kailangan kong bumalik ng 10:03 AM. So, pinainom nila ako nitong very sugary drink. Ayan. Very sugary drink na yung flavor na pinili ko is fruit punch. So, ayun.
They're giving you sugar drinks?
Yeah, that's how it is. That's what I did in the Philippines too. But in the Philippines, I didn't do the 1-hour glucose tolerance test. It just jumped to the 3 hours.
Well, I want to go park in the shade, so.
We're going there?
Yeah.
Ayun, lipat lang kami ng parking. Sira. So, mag-aantay kami dito. Mahaba-haba pang pag-aantay. Gutom na ako. Kasi kung hindi ko daw to gagawin, ang mangyayari is yung high-risk doctor i-check niyo yung blood. Yung parang sa may mga diabetes talaga. Yung every hour, ipopoke mo yung iyong daliri. Tapos i-re-record mo yung blood sugar level mo and then i-report mo dun sa nurse. I'm getting dizzy. Nakakahila yung fruit punch. Dapat pala yung pinili ko na lang din is yung orange. Open, close. Grabe, kalbaryo itong 3 hours glucose test. Bali ako ng napiling flavor, nasusuka tuloy ako. Baby, Mama's getting nauseous. Mama wants to puke. Where are you going? Oopsie. Oopsie. Aray ko, baby. See, oopsie. Look at the camera. See, oopsie. Oopsie. Popo.
Help! It's that prickly thing at it again. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Mo? Cuddle, you know I won't. No, no, no. No one will hug me. That's not very kind. But hey, wait a minute. You've all changed your mind. Nope. There they go. Run from the snake. Gosh, all I did was ask for a kiss. You could just ask people for kisses anytime you want.
Whatever. It's done?
Kiss the snake.
That's it?
Well, isn't this lovely? Yes. How about this? Oh.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
The porcupine can cuddle with the snake.
So, done na tayo sa second poking. Second blood draw. So, meron silang parang dito. Walking area. Ayan. Ay, grabe, nahihilo talaga ako. Dito kami nag-park para may shade. Ay, nako. So, ayan guys, sa wakas natapos na rin ang aking 3-hour glucose test. So, dumating kami dito before 9 a.m. and it's currently 12:05 p.m. So, makakakain na ako. Gutom na ako. Mag-Taco Bell lang kami. So, ayun. Parang nakalimutan ko na nagutom ako. Ang tagal. Buti hindi naman ako nasuka. Si Zeta is medyo cranky na. Ang init. Hindi ko alam kung anong temperature ba. Temperatures. Today, mainit siya. 23 degrees Celsius. Oopsie! Oopsie! Ayan, naka-order na kami guys sa Taco Bell. What? What's your problem?
Can you turn off the camera?
Yeah, turn it off. Si Zeta natutulog. Kasi ang aga namin nagising, mga ako 4:30 a.m. sa 6 a.m. Tapos ginising namin si Mr. So kakain muna kami. See you later. So andito kami guys sa Wilikit ice cream place shop. Ayan.
Can we get strawberry?
Strawberry? I don't know.
Hi there.
Can we get a strawberry hot fudge sundae?
What size?
Large, regular, large, I guess.
So strawberry ice cream?
Yeah.
And what? Oh, yeah, hot fudge. With cream and a cherry?
Yes.
Got it. Is that gonna be it?
Yeah.
805, please.
Let's go check here, baby. Meron silang mga dairy products dito. Ay, meron din mga milk. Look, they have ice cream here. Chocolate, maple walnut, Reese's. What is that?
Pork roast.
Oh, yeah.
That's the cost of this thing. It doesn't have any price on it.
Strawberry. Mga ano. Meron kasi sila dito mga ano, mga goat, tapos baka, ganyan. Meron pa mga chocolate. Meron din silang honey. Yan. Baby. Ayun yung kanilang mga ano, mga goats. Love, they have a... I think Zeta will like this toy. You scared? You scared of the goats?
Are you scared of ice cream?
Kain tayong ice cream, guys.
It's a horsey cowie goat.
That's not a horse. That's goat.
I don't think she knows what a goat is. Trying to communicate that it's similar to other animals she knows about.
It's hot.
It's hot fudge.
What are you talking? I said it's hot here. Baby, it's yum yum.
You seen the animals? Yummy.
Oh, yeah, no. You don't want the ice cream? She's not in the mood. She just woke up. Diba? Katapos lang ng glucose tolerance.
They have their own house.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Mas ginagawa ko. Shade.
Zeta and Zelda are like 10 and 8.
Mhm.
One of these ice creams is gonna be like $20.
It's $20, this one?
Oh, but it's $8 now. Like 10 years I'm trying to make
Yeah. So, andito kami guys sa aking mga in-laws. Dumaan lang kami. Meron kaming gagawin dito and may kukunin din si Mr. It's currently 1:30 p.m. Sarap ng ice cream na kinain namin. Yung pangalan ng store na yun, napuntahan na namin yung last time. We like it. Parang we like it. We like it. And sobrang sarap ng ice cream nila. Yung parang natural yung lasa. Walang mga artificial flavorings and stuff. See, what's that? So, I'm so happy na natapos na ang aking 3-hour glucose test. Kasi talagang ano siya, pahirap. Yung fasting pa lang, and then yung paghihintay mo pa doon sa hospital or sa laboratory, plus yung gutom, plus yung basta ang dami niyang ano, pahirap sa buhay. Pero at least okay na. Pero hindi ko pa alam ang result. Siguro baka mga bukas meron na yung result yun. So I'm hoping na pumasa para wala nang problema. Tapos pagka 36 weeks na ako mag-start na nung stress test. Tapos ano, parang kagabi ata yun, may nakita ako, or kaninang madaling araw, kasi nga 4:30 AM ako nagising. May nakita ako sa Facebook na ano, lumindol nga daw sa Philippines, no? Nakakatakot. Medyo malakas, parang 4.9 ba? 4.5 magnitude. Ay, nahingal ako. Kanina gutom na gutom ako, ngayon naman super busog. So ayun, going back, no, medyo nakaka-worry din yung mga lindol-lindol ngayon sa Philippines. Pero sana naman is maging okay lahat doon. Baby, what's that? Si Mr. inaasikaso na naman ang kanyang mga halaman dito. What are you doing, love? Nilalagyan niya yata ng parang fertilizer ba yan? Is that fertilizer, love?
I said I gotta fertilize them, and you said that's fertilizer, and I said yeah.
I forgot. I'm confirming. Oy, don't touch that baby.
These things need a lot of attention. I don't have time to give them the attention that they need.
What is it? Your bonsai?
Yeah, I gotta pull weeds out of them. A lot of them should be repotted. And